Hey guys, Elliot here, Cardwell Customs again. This is a little different video this time, something more mechanical to do with my Softail on the lift here. So what I'm doing today is I'm changing the exhaust from a 2-into-2 radius pipe into a 2-into-1 pipe from Smoke Mufflers. There we go. Thank you, Elliot Cardwell. Have a nice day. So first of all, we are going to take off this one, obviously, because we need to anyway, and then I will put on the new one. So follow me through and start it up, see how it sounds, and go from there. There you go, there is the exhaust off, my 2-into-2 radius pipe. So now it's time to put on the 2-in-1 from Smoke Mufflers. So stick around. Back. Sorry about that before. Yet again, I need to get a better memory card because I just ran out of memory, and then that's probably why the video cut short. We've got it all on. Some people don't really like that kind of look, but I mean, I do. Everyone's got different tastes. Yeah, I never really liked the 2-into-1 exhaust, but after putting one on Kaz's bike, I thought, well, I'm going to put one on mine. The 2-into-2 exhaust that was on it, the radius one, quite a sharp, loud exhaust. This one's a lot more quieter, but a deeper sort of sound. Anyway, let's see what it sounds like. So yeah, pretty happy with that. Sounds good. Sounds lumpier, because it's obviously this bike has had stage 2 cam spin on it. Sounding good. So anyway, thanks again for watching. I know this is a kind of a different video to what I'm usually sort of doing, but do a bit of everything now these days. So till next time, peace.